Today I will introduce a new remote control. Okay, this is for smart home. This remote control can control home lights and home appliances. First, please open the box. You can see one remote control, one instruction, and 6 receivers. Each receiver can connect in 1 or 2 lines. Okay, pay attention to the receiver. Here marked WC. So on the remote control button also with WC. So they can match. It is very easy to install. Now I will tell you how to install. Before install, must cut off the power. Okay, now look at the wall switch. Okay, now I will go to cut off the power. 关掉。
好了好了。
Okay, the power is being cut off. You can see. Okay. Here are 2 lights, so I will use 2 receivers. Okay. Separate the wells. Now connect our receiver. You can see here are 4 lines, 2 black and 1 red, 1 yellow. This red and black connect the power. The yellow and the black connect the light. Pay attention, you must connect them separately. Now I will put the electrical plate. This one is finished. Now connect another light. Okay, you can see. This is the power line. Usually we connect with our switch. And these 2 lines are for LED lights. Now you can see the red and the black connect power. Yellow and black connect the light. Now put the electric plate. Okay, finish it. Pay attention, step lately. Okay, let's try. First, you must turn on the power. Okay, I will go to turn on the power. Press the remote. Now light is on. We can control by our original switch. Also, we can use our remote control to connect the net. Okay, WC and the pedal. Okay, if your remote control is broken, you can also use your switch. Okay, finish it. Do you have a try? It is very easy.